You ready to switch?
Switch?
Yeah.
Select ride or race.
What? Which?
Now, we're gonna see. You're next. You're up.
What?
Let's see how long it takes him to get fucked up. It's in Moto Gp shift, so.
Oh God! Why the fuck would you do
See how you
that?
like it.
I'm glad you told me.
Because I wanted to do a video on it, and I did.
I'm glad you told me.
Well, that was what I did, because I figured you were gonna go to fucking move and do nothing basically.
So it shifts up.
So it's, what is it? It's one up to get into gears, and then it's shifting. You're just clicking down.
Damn.
So you're pulling up to downshift and kicking down to upshift.
That's crazy.
You're next.
I never was on a bike.
Because I've been doing some, like, I don't know, it was
like
I was
That's
like
why
either
I
kind of way,
kept hearing
like,
you saying,
I kept like either like downshifting or like downshifting or whatever. I'm just doing, like, I'm forgetting at some point. It's killing me.
So, it's Moto Gp shift.
I was gonna say it was my first time doing it, so I figured, like,
What made you do it?
I was already messing with the shifter. I pulled the shifter off. I'm like, man, let me see what this Moto Gp shift is about. And I like it. I do. I really do. I'm curious how it would be on a faster bike with, like, you know, quick shifter where you don't have to shift and you're just pushing your foot down. Bam, 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 bam.
I'm gonna get fucked up right away. I guarantee it. I'm gonna get out of here and this thing gotta be neutral. Kill switch. So let me see.
Let me see something real quick.
Oh damn. It's gonna be a learning curve for sure.
Come on, don't stall it out. Don't stall it out. Come on, don't stall it out. Don't stall it out. Don't stall it out. You got it. You got it.
Okay.
I mean, I really do like it. I'm not sure if I like it better than regular shifting.
Oh, you're crazy.
I said I'm not sure if I like it better than regular shifting. Like, the more you use it, the more it's like you start feeling like, I don't know, like I said, I'm curious. I feel like I could definitely shift like that a lot faster if I'm like on a bike that, you know, needs a clutch.
Yeah. It's a little different.
That's how I was feeling when I left the crib at first. Then I got on the parkway and I was like, you know what, I'm kind of liking it.
Right. You can get speed, it might be a little easier.
It's just hard to get with the shifter since it's a little bent.
Definitely.
Hard to get underneath.
Get underneath it? What do you have to, you barely got a, he said you got, I don't know, I wasn't having no issues getting underneath it, but you got them shoes on too, I think.
Yep. I rode my bike with regular shoes the other day and it just didn't feel right. Okay. It goes into neutral easier than this. It goes into neutral easier this way than it did before.
I'm just curious. I was thinking like, I don't know. I'm curious like, like if you put a beginner on and you start them that way, I wonder if they would like it better.
I don't know.
As opposed to, like I said, it seems like, it doesn't sound like it does, but like if you think about it, the, you know, the shifting up of the thing versus just clicking down on it. Come on, buddy, go. Jesus Christ.
People are looking at me like a whole noob. Beginner. I almost went to hit up and I just got hit with a bug. God damn. Wow. Shut that visor. End up getting a sty in my right eye.
You don't need that.
Still now the sty guy.
Wow.
Old bobblehead ass kids.
I do like the brakes a little bit better on this bike than my bike, but
You said the what?
the brakes. Oh, you better
brakes?
stay on that sidewalk, goddammit. Hello. Bye-bye.
He said he likes my brakes better than his 750 brakes with
This
a
feels
Brembo
different.
with a Brembo front caliper.
I swear that caliper don't do nothing. That's just me, though.
Whenever you're ready, pass it off to him.
Huh? Hot potato?
Yep.
Alright, we'll go down a little further. I like this bike though. I
mean,
still never did like a full review on it.
I'm not certain I'm gonna leave it that way though. Especially once like I get the new tires and I start going back to like ripping again. I'm not sure if that's the right combination for me when it comes to ripping like back roads or leaning the bike around and stuff to be kicking it down.
Get used to.
Yours does too. I was gonna say my hand is getting fucking tired on this bike. Jesus Christ, my hand's getting tired. Oh my God, thank God.
I'll pull over down here. I think there's like a hotel up on the right or some shit. Up here. Four ways on. Sorry.
Oh, you got a turn signal on us. You got on.
Yeah, I'll be pulling over right here. Webster Hall. You little bitch. Webster Hall.
Okay, GP shifting.
It's different.
He says it's different.
It's different. That's all I'm gonna say.
Ninja 400. Okay.
Ooh, it's
Total
hot.
going up first.
Ooh, it's
Wow,
hot.
that's so weird.
So we playing hot potato with the bikes.
Alright.
Pass them along.
This bike is extra work on the hands.
This bike feels
Is
totally
his,
different.
is his clutch as heavy as yours? Because your clutch be feeling like...
my CBR clutch was way worse.
No, not to me.
Shit.
I feel like I don't feel like... Maybe it's just because it's hot today.
Man, this bike is smooth though, I swear. No wonder you could do wheelies on this boat so easy.
Not now, not with that damn... I don't think I could learn... I don't know if I could learn to do it the way the shifter is now. That was why I said I might have to put it back because I was trying on the way down here and...
I mean, like, on the road it's so weird. Because I'm just, like, shifting between the gears.
It's just like you're just...
Second.
Hunter, I'm taking your mirrors.
You like them though?
Man, I can see everything.
You have to look how his are set up behind it.
Oh man, this upshifting is too funny. I swear.
That's why I said, like, I'm pretty sure I don't like it better than the regular, but I think if I got used to it,
Oh, it's actually nice.
I could really
swear.
learn to enjoy it.
Alright, I'm downshifting now. That's so weird. Swear, that's weird. Where we going though?
I swear.
My bike will clean as fuck.
65 McKnight,
65 McKnight. Alright, we can go up there.
I don't know.
But we can swap first if you want to.
True.
I don't
Yeah, I was
mind.
gonna say no. We can. I don't care. We can swap back.
Yeah, we can swap before we get on the highway.
Yo, almost got fucked up!
Really?
Yep, downshifting accidentally.
Swear, I can't wait to put them freshies on there.
It's so crazy downshifting like that.
I mean, if you don't want to go on the highway, you can ride down 5th Ave, or if you want to,
Oh, to get there?
and then make the ride up by, like, Penguin Arena and shit. Oh, shit.
Oh damn.
And the 400 is so smooth. Oh, wow. Like it wants to do wheelies.
Suspension's just softer than our normal bike.
I was gonna say, once you get up in the mid RPM range, yeah, and you start hitting it, yeah, it does. It wants to. Yeah, it does. Especially you're putting a little bit of your weight back. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Damn, we bounced like a motherfucker over there.
Oh yeah, I can see this bike being a lot of
Jesus, there goes a half a gallon of gas.
fun. Right.
Oh, there goes another gallon and a half. I don't remember feeling so pressed up on my wrists last time I was on this bike though.
Really?
I feel so like forward. Hands are getting tired.
You going straight?
Yep.
Oh yeah, this is just like riding the R3 for real.
A little more goose.
Right.
Was coming down the parkway going fucking 110. Like, oh yeah, I need them new tires.
Oh yeah. That thing's crazy. Who was that? Your bike, right?
Yeah. I looked back before whenever he was coming up on me like, who's that?
Right.
Enough to get you trouble. Unless you crack it open at the wrong time.
Uh-huh. Definitely gotta remind yourself.
What's this guy turning? I don't know if he's parallel parking or what. Yeah, he's
Oh, yeah.
parallel parking.
I love the brakes on this bike though.
Huh?
Said I love the brakes on your bike.
Wonder
I
if,
see ya.
wonder if matching Brembo calipers would make yours feel better. I mean, I don't see what your issue is with them. They definitely got the bike.
I think I like a little bit more lever.
You gotta get on my bike, Corey, after you get on his.
And then I like
You'll feel the difference.
I like the rear brake to have a little bit more too. Are we pulling over?
Yeah, we can. Don't matter.
Front of the whatchamacallit here?
Just pull over at that light up there real fast.
Alright.
Oh yeah, first is nasty. First got a little... First is definitely probably like 90, what? Probably at least 90 it had to have been. I was going 70 plus with a bunch left.
First is 86 or 85.
Yeah, first.
Boy, you got your gas light done come on.
For real?
Yeah.
You did it, motherfucker. You don't pop, you know.
Put the gas light. I'm surprised mine ain't on.